won't you come with me? We'll go ride the breeze singing C'est la vie. It feels just right. It's a brand new day. I can hardly wait. So for goodness sake, I think it's time. Yeah. Let's tell the world about it. Help spread a little light. It all comes back around. It feels so good to be alive. Up hills and over mountains, they'll know it far and wide. It all comes back around. It feels so good to be alive.
And of course, may makakasama po ako sa gilid ng ating napakagandang host for tonight.
Ayan, hooray for today at isang magandang gabi na po pala sa ating lahat.
Yes.
Ako naman po si Ate Zenik, ang magiging co-host po ni Ate Lish. At syempre, makakasama nyo ngayong gabi. At syempre, hindi lang po kami ang makakasama nyo because together with us, ay nandito din po ang ating mga party assistants. Ayan, nandito po si Kuya Mark. Say hi.
Yes. Say hi, Kuya Mark! Sino pa nandiyan, Ate Zenny?
Ayan, at syempre, andito rin ang ating food coordinator na siyang magiging kausap nyo sa inyong food. Syempre, andito si Ate Shai. Say hi naman kay Ate Shai. Ayan, at syempre, Ate Ilish.
Syempre, nandito rin sa ating left or right si Ate Jolina. Say hi, Ate Jolina! And of course, para magbigay ng ating opening remarks, let's welcome Sir Rodel!
Magandang dito sa akin ay bigyan din po each and everyone po. Welcome po sa 10th birthday celebration po ni JM. Kaya po po ang family, we will take also, thank you, Mommy and Daddy, for choosing McDonald's po para dito po celebrate ang 10th birthday po ni JM. And we hope mag-enjoy po tayo sa mga inanda po namin mga surprises, games at mga paprami bibigay po namin mamaya. Maraming salamat po. Happy birthday, JM!
Ayan, maraming salamat, Sir Rodel. And of course, Ate Zenny. JM for tonight. Pag sinabi ko po happy birthday, ay happy sasabihin niyo po birthday, okay? Okay, try natin Ate Zenic. At the count of 3, 2, 1, happy! Ayun, napaka-energetic ni Kuya Birdie natin. Kaya naman, kailangan natin ang energy na yan, Ate Zenic. Dahil din namin lahat ng kids sa harap.
Lahat ng kids ay pupunta sa harapan.
Ayan, lahat ng kids. Wow, naka-costume.
Ayan, ang marami naming kids.
Hello. Ayan, kids, form a big, big circle.
Ayan, so mag-form tayo ng big circle since madami tayo. Ayan, sasama si Kuya GM, syempre.
Okay, let's move there, Kuya Birdie. Oh my gosh, Ate Zenic, may nadidinig na ako nag-i-English dito?
Marami.
Yes. What? Oh, thank you.
Kids have
Okay, what do you prefer, English or Tagalog? Oh, Tagalog. I hear that. Tagalog. No Tagalog.
Sorry, Ate, English.
Okay, thank you, ate. Okay. Since lahat dito, nakikita ko yung mga kiddie crew namin, karamihan. Okay, alam niyo na yung the boat is singing, right? Did you know that? The boat is singing?
Where?
Oh, no pa daw dito. Diyan. You know that, of course. You know that, children. Okay, please listen to Auntie Elish. When I say the boat is sinking, you will say, what shall we do? Okay. Let's not get up to Zenic. The boat is sinking!
What shall we do?
Oh, mas malakas, okay? Gusto ni Ate Elish yung dumadagundong yung McDonald's. Okay, one more time! The boat is sinking!
What shall we do?
Yes, I like the energy, Ate Zenic.
Yes, the energy is
Okay.
very
Yes. When I say group yourself into two, you will group yourself into two only, okay? Yeah, for example, group yourself into two. Two only. Biggie Aya. Okay. Okay, kami na lang. Spider-Man. Ayan. Darius. Ayan, may kalab dito si Spider-Man natin dito. Ayan, date naman Spider-Man natin. Okay, Gil, did you get the game? Salamat ako sa English tayo. Okay, back to big circle.
Okay, back to big circle.
Okay, game na po, okay? Okay, the boat is sinking!
What shall we do?
Group yourself into five! Five for Limana! Hug your group mates. Okay, hug your group mates. Oh, you're fine. 2, 4, 5. Kuya Grayson, here ka lang, Kuya Grayson. Ayan. You should hug your group mates, okay? For us to know if you're really in the group.
Oh, say hi. Hi.
Ayan. And then when I count 1, 2, 3 and I say freeze, wala nang gagalaw or do not move. Because if you move,
Your game.
Spider-Man will get you. Yes. Ayan. That's only an example or trial game. Okay, back to big circle. Pumila ko sila Ate Zenic. Okay, kids. Ready na ba? Okay, ready na, okay. The boat is sinking! Group yourself into one! One only! Hug yourself. We should love ourselves. Yeah, love yourself. game. Group yourself into three.
Ayan ko na kakabunay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, freeze! Freeze na! Ano pala, kukunin ng transformer? Spanish?
Ayan,
Oh my God.
isang meron tayo, Ate Lish.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, si ate. What's your name, ate? Mavis? Mavis? It's okay, ate Mavis. We have our second game.
Ayan, babawi tayo mamaya.
Babawi ka later, ate Mavis. Ayan. 3. Okay, back to mix. Here go, kids. Ayan, very good. Very good. Bro pa ang ating votes. Is singing. Move yourself into 7. 7. Come on, 7. Okay. At the count of 3, 2, 1, freeze. Pag sobra, matatanggal. Pag sakto, hindi matatanggal. Of course. Yan. Ano to siya? Ano ba ito? 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay, si Spider-Man, hindi naligtas ang mundo. It's okay, Spider-Man. We have our next game. Ayan. It's okay. Mark. Yan, move backward and wider. Okay, the ball is sinking. Move yourself into 10. Ayan, 10. And only 10. At the count of 5, don't be freeze tayo, okay? Sige, mag-away kayo mga babe. 5, 4, 3. Okay. May healing tip sa'yo, ate. And please. Ano, ate, shiny lang yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ay, dito ka na. Ayan, content ka, panalo ka pa doon. Sige! Group yourself into 11. Don't be ugly. Wala dito, Spider-Man. Boom! Transformer! Ay, wait. Oh, no pushing. Ayan, no pushing. Okay, Kuya Mark, can you assist them? Uy! Ay, wala na lagi wala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Ayan. Okay, girls. Walang iwanan. Later, maglalaro ulit tayo. Ayan. It's okay. We have so many games later. You will make power. Group yourself! Ay! The phone is singing! McDonald's says, group yourself into 3! Okay, Spider-Man, come here. No, okay. Ayan. Hug yourself. Be proud of your group because at the English state, we will have a 5 winners. How are you? How much are you? How many? 1, 2, 3. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. And the winner is 5. And we have a winner. I told you it's 5, not 3. But I told you we have a 5 winner. Not 3. It's okay. That's a twist of the game.
Okay guys,
Okay, tingin sa camera.
1, 2, 3.
Okay guys! Kids!
Okay, kids, tingin tayo kay Kuya Connor na. Pose nyo.
1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3, smile.
Waki!
1, 2, 3, Waki! Ayan! Congratulations!
Oh, ano naman po? Ano naman po ang cheer ng Team Sexy natin? Take it away! Sige, ma'am, isa pa. Okay, isa pa. 1, 2, 3! Go sexy! Go sexy! Go sexy! Sexy, sexy! Oh, papakan naman natin ang Team Sexy! Sumakas mga mami! Ayan. Okay, thank you po, Team Sexy. Mag-warm up muna po tayo. Mag-warm up. Ano yung mga warm up natin? Ayan, meron na kayo ready?
Yes po, ready na po ang
Okay, come here ang ating Team Gentleman.
Ayan, punta na po kayo sa may gitna para sa inyong cheer.
Okay, same po. At the count of 3 po, isisigaw na po yung name nyo. O, mayroon na kayong fans dito ah. May audience impact ba to? Okay, at the count of 3 po, isisigaw nyo po yung team name and then yung cheer nyo. Okay, let's welcome! 3, 2, 1! Wow! Parang ano ba yung mga audience natin? Meron po mga mag-disagree? Okay, 1, 2, 3! Okay, one more time. Wala po kami narinig. Okay, one more time. 3.
Yun na ko, yun na yan
Ay, akala ko may ano pa eh. Okay, Team Guapito and Team Sexy. Siyempre, ito naman. Sinong bayad manalo ang Team Sexy? Siyempre, Team Sexy tayo. Ayan. What about the ating Team Guapito? Kala ko wala. Kala ko wala. Late reaction lang pala. Okay. Ano yan? Ano yan, sir? Mukhang may sungol ka na. Okay, okay. Ang ating game ay tinatawag po naming Map Saddle Game. Siyempre sa iba, hindi na po ito bago, pero sa atin bago to. Okay, ang ating first gagawin, ilulusot po yung logo pa ibaba. Yan sa channel natin. Ayan. Ayan, sir. Ayan. Ayan. And then, after my result, ay magpunta kay player number 5. Ako kay player number 5, sir. Abo, hanggang sa dulo. Okay na po tayo mga gopito. And then, after nyan, ipapasa pa harap. Ayan. Yan, ganyan, sir. And then, pagbalik kay player number 5, pumunta po siya dito sa ating upuan and sasayaw ng... Charit. I-spell niya. Sasayaw po kayo ng water. Mag-water po kayo. Charit. McDonald's says, ready! Ready, set! Ready, set! Go! Yan, galing! Waki.
Waki naman! Waki! 1, 2, 3, Waki! Ayan, yun na.
Okay, ano po ang team name ninyo? Team Yay! Ay, Team Yay! Malaman ang ating team! Team Ganda! Team Ganda! Huwag kayo. Sila ang Team Ganda natin. Okay. Ang gagawin nyo lang po, may babasahin po kaming tanong, and ang makukuha nyo, ang answer po ay dyan po makukuha sa inyong mga letter na hawak. And then once na nakuha nyo po yung letter or yung sagot, isisigaw nyo po yung team name ninyo. Okay, Team Ganda, Team Yay, gano'n. Doon po kami mag-base ng winner. And then, yeah, example po. Okay, ito po yung example na gano'n. Kung ang English ng ngipin ay tip, ano naman ang English ng gilagib? Yes. Kung sino lang may hawak ng letter, siya lang po yung mag-move forward. Ayan. And then, dito kayo sa nickname niyo. Dito kayo, sir. Dito kayo. Ayan. Mas Team Ganda, dito po. Ayan. Kung sino po yung may hawak ng letter, siya lang po yung mag-move forward. Ayan. And then, isisigaw niyo yung team name ninyo. Okay? Yes. Ganun, sir. Para malaman namin kung kayo yung nauna. Okay. Guys, sino po ba Team Ganda? Yes. What about the Team Yay? Are you ready? Okay. Again, ang matatalo po ay may consequence. It's either kakanta or sasayawan sa ating birthday boy na si JM. Ayan. Kung ang kapares ng kape ay tinapay, ano naman ang partner ng kanin? Ayan. Ulitin mo lang yan. Lalakas mo agad pala kasi pag sa akin. Mag-move forward na mga nagsisigaw yung yes. Pwede lang po siya mag-support ng titignan niya yung kung tama yung spelling. Okay, next! When you love a person, you give them a big, big...
Ayan,
When you love a person, we give them a big, big... Ano ba?
Ayan, nagkakamali tayo. From left to right, ako tayo
Go! Mami, kayo na mali! Kayo, go!
From left to right po para hindi magano. Left to right. Hindi, right to left dito.
Maka 10 points. Pero natas lang 2-0. Ayan. Okay, ito ay isang bagay na sinaset mo sa gabi. At kailangan mo naman sa umaga pa rin kayo magising. Ano ito? Go! Dali! Uy, yes mo! Baliktad na naman! Baliktad! Ay, tama! On!
Ayan!
Yan, lagyan mo!
Ayan! Ayan!
Grabe ang competitive ng mga team Yay! dito po, sila na po ang winner. Okay? Listen carefully po. Okay. May strategy po sila. Okay. Ayan. Nauna po ang ating team. Yes. I'm sorry mga moms. Nauna po ang ating, for that, ang winner natin ng team. Yes. Nakabahal po ako. Basta kami matatakot. Sulitin po yung ngayon. Sulitin. Okay, ready na ba sila Ate Zelle? Ready na po ba? Ano pong gagawin nila? Kakanta na? Or sayaw? Kakanta po na. Inay? Hinig po ba? Happy birthday. So, okay. Okay, let's welcome ang ating Team Ganda! Okay, everybody! Ayan, thank you so much, mama. Thank you po sa inyong pagiging mag-participate.
One more time. Greetings, where are you?
Ayan, say hi naman sa ating birthday boy, Green May, sa ating transformer. Ayan. Yes, si Green Shake, siya si Green May. Ang paborito niya ay Sunday ng McDonald's. Ayan. Ano si JM, Kuya Green May, sa likod mo siya. Ayan, ang ating transformer. Okay? Okay, kids. Upo muna tayo, kids.
Ayan, so upo muna tayo, kids.
Yes, dahil kakantahan natin ng isang happy birthday si Kuya JM natin. Ayan, bawal niya ang ganyan. Ayan. Upo muna tayo, kids. Dahil
Sabay po natin kantahan si JM. Okay, in 3, 2,
Dito ka tumuto ka. Tabi mo sinat. Para gitna.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Okay, one more time. Mas malakas naman po. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, happy birthday, Kuya JM. Okay, so before going candles po, baka may wish naman po si Mami dyan para kay JM.
Hi, Nak! JM! Happy birthday, Nak! So, ano ba? Let's not fight anymore? Yeah? No more, come on. Yeah, you know, Nak,
Ito marap ka doon. Dito ka doon.
I know, I just wish you to be happy. Look at Mama, okay? And let an is because I want you to do better. And because I just want you to listen.
JM, go to mami.
Mama, Ito ko na. Ito tayo.
Go to mami first.
Yes, don't let them do that. Ibilhan na lang kita ng poppers sa bahay. Kati, listen muna. So anyway, like I always tell you, so I wish you to have a good life and happy life, okay? Mama is here to support everyone is here to celebrate with you. Okay? And I know that ito yung wish mo sa akin. And I will also give you your gift. I will let you download PSF. Ano ba yun? PFS. In your cellphone. Yun na naman yung gift na hinihinga sa akin. So yun lang. What else? Study well, anak. Okay? Kasi, ang dami mong gusto. Para mabili mo lahat ng gusto mo. Yun lang. Tapos, thank you po sa lahat. Sa graphic ng passion. So, advance celebration sa GM. Sa 25 talaga yung birthday niya. Magpapapizza daw ulit siya sa birthday niya.
Wow! Sabi kami!
Kasi, hindi niya ako makikita ng ilang araw. Yun lang. Thank you everyone. Mommies, daddies, teachers, classmates, friends, family, you guys are our privilege. So thank you for helping me. Ano po yan, sis fans, kapakayan. Walang sinulat si JM. Mami, pasend ng picture, kung anong assignment, kung anong pointers,
Pwede mo lang, Tim.
I love you so much, Anna. I hope you're very happy. Okay, you can tell them something.
Guys, winning or losing does not matter. All that matters is just having fun.
Yeah! Solid!
Hindi ko kinonsyon na. Very good, Anna. Happy birthday, Anna. Are you happy?
Kiss mommy! Oh, you kiss mommy, you kiss mommy, you kiss mommy! Kiss mommy, kiss mom! Alright!
What's your birthday wish? What's your birthday wish?
What's your wish, Kuya JM?
Ang dami niya, hindi niya maisip.
Bilis kumanta!
Sige, whatever.
Tol, steady mo lang. Taas mo yung tripod mo. Steady mo na lang kung wala ka na makuha. Ito.
Sige na. Ang dami naman, anak.
It's okay, JM. Take your time. Mag-aaral ka. Anong wish ni Kuya JM? Manay magdigin ni Mami. Agad-agad. Diba? You want a car? You want a McDonald's?
I wish that when I grow up, I will have my Lamborghini.
Happy birthday, Kuya JM!
A celebration to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on now. Celebration. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. Celebration. We gon' celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on! It's a celebration. It's a celebration. Celebrate good times, come on. Let's celebrate. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright, baby. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. It's a celebration. Celebrate good times, come on. Come on and celebrate tonight. 'Cause everything's gonna be alright. Let's celebrate.